Hi, I'm Allison with VanDOit. Today we're going to go over the steps to jumpstart the Ford factory battery from the VanDOit AGM battery bank. Before we get into that procedure, I want to go ahead and say that if you have our Mastervolt lithium system, this is not the video for you. Jump back to our YouTube channel, or we'll drop a link up here so you can find the video that applies to your system. All right, before we start the actual procedure of jump-starting the Ford factory battery, we need to check the voltage of the VanDOit AGM battery system. To do that, first, just go to your rocker switches, test out something like the accent lights or the dome lights, see if those come on. But then to verify, go to the Go Power inverter screen, turn on the inverter, and check the current voltage. We're looking for a voltage of 11.5 or higher. If you see that your system is reading lower than 11.5 volts, stop here, plug the van into shore power to charge the VanDOit battery bank to 11.5 or higher before proceeding to the next steps. So the next step is to locate a red 3-position rocker switch in your VanDOit electrical system. I'm currently in one of our Live models with the signature hydraulic bed above me. In the Live model, that switch is either located inside your power cabinet, right here. We've already taken off the plexiglass panel that covers the electrical panel for ease of finding and seeing that switch. In some Live models, it's actually going to be up on the front panel of the power box, the panel that faces the front of the van. In our Do model, you'll find this switch on the front panel of the electrical tower, the one that faces the front of the van. If you prefer to take the plexiglass panel off the front of the Live model electronics box in order to access the red switch, all you need to do is grab your 4mm T-handle Allen wrench to remove the button head bolts that hold that plexiglass panel in place. If you're trying not to remove the plexiglass panel here, many models have a cap right here on this top panel so that you can reach in and access the switch. Once you've got access to it, it should be set to auto. Auto is what you need for normal operation of the van. In order to jumpstart the Ford chassis battery, we're going to switch it to on. And we're going to wait a couple of minutes to let the voltage between the VanDOit AGM system and the Ford factory system equalize. Once it's equalized, once you've given it a couple of minutes, go to the ignition, turn it on. It should start right up. If it does, great, you're all set, you're good to go. Just one final step. Go back to your switch and turn it back to auto for normal operation. If you try these steps and the Ford factory battery still does not start, then you'll need to proceed with jump starting it like you would any normal car battery. So find a jump pack, call roadside assist. And just one note, if you find that your Ford factory battery is dying on a repeated basis, it's probably time to go to your local Ford dealership and ask them to check the battery health. Thanks for watching. Reach out to our support team if you have any questions about your van and jump starting the Ford factory battery.